Hello, today you will learn about Bonjour. Can you say this number in French?
05 66 31 25 90.
Giving numbers in French can be tricky. Today I will help you become a pro. First things first. First, you should be able to know the numbers in French. Let's have a recap of numbers. I will count in tens. You will have to repeat them after me.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90.
However, the numbers after 70, 80, 90 it becomes quite hard. For that, revise your numbers. For understanding French telephone numbers, French numbers are given in pairs, except when the pair starts with 0. Let me give you an example. Let's see this number. Can you say it?
04 45 78 24 97.
So as you can see, unless the number starts with 0, you must give numbers in pairs and in full. Such as 97.
97.
The numbers 70 to 90 are very hard to grasp.
78.
We say that as 60, 18, that's how are the numbers done in 70s.
71.
Will be 71.
72.
Will be 72.
And 83 will be
4 20s plus 3. And 95 is even more complicated. In that case we say 4 20s plus 15. That makes 95.
95.
So it is really important to know your numbers from 1 to 20, because you will have to add them to the 70s and the 90s later on. Okay. So let's do it together.
Quel est votre numéro de téléphone?
What is your phone number? Say it out loud using pairs of numbers.
For exemple, mon numéro est 06 28 65 78 92.
Let's play a game. I am going to give you 2 French phone numbers. Have a pen and paper ready. I would like you to write them down and see if they match mine. Are you ready? Okay. Here is phone number 1.
02 45 55 78 90. Je répète 02 45 55 78 90.
Okay. You have written your numbers. Let's see if it matches mine.
02 45 55 78 90.
Now let's look at the second example.
05 60 78 24 92. Je répète 05 60 78 24 92.
Okay. You have written your numbers. Let's see if it matches mine.
05 60 78 24 92.
So knowing your numbers from 70 to 100 is really important when understanding phone numbers. So if you enjoyed the video, do like it and share it.
Au revoir et à bientôt.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for next video.